Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI for generating a model for Instagram. First of all, open up your browser. Now the image generator we will be using for generating the model is Tensor AI. Tensor AI. After that, hit enter. You will have to go for this tensor.art website. Just click on it. Now once you're at the website, you will have to create yourself an account. Now after you've created yourself an account, move your mouse to this arrow window right here and click on classical mode. Now the model that we'll be using is the Juggernaut XL. So just select this one right here. Now after that, you will have to type in your prompt here. Your negative prompt will go in here and you can choose the aspect ratio from here. I'm just gonna go for portrait for now. You can adjust the sampler from here. I'm just gonna leave it at Ural Ancestral. You can adjust the sampling steps and the CFG scale, and in here you will have to type in a random seed that you can remember. For example, I'm just gonna go for 3, 4, 5, 6. Now after that, just go back to the prompt and I'm just gonna go for beautiful girl smiling with black curly hair. After that, I'm just gonna increase the generated pictures to 2, and after that, just hit generate. So here my two images have been generated. I quite like them. If you don't like your photos, just scroll back down, customize the seed again, and replace it with a number that you can remember. Now after that, if you want your model to do something, for example, let's say she's out to drink coffee. So you will have to just adjust the prompt accordingly. I'm just gonna put in a comma in a coffee shop. I'm just gonna change the aspect ratio to, let's say, landscape, and after that just hit generate again. Now as you guys can see, the same model is in the coffee shop right now with different clothes. Now if you want to change like the dressing of it, you can do so by just adjusting the prompt accordingly. For example, let's say smiling with sunglasses and a hat, and after that just hit generate again. Now as you guys can see, now she's wearing a pair of sunglasses with a hat on. So you have these two photos right here. Now if you want your model to pose, you will have to go to this image to image window right here, and in here you will have to upload an image on how you want your model to pose. For example, I have this picture right here. After that, click open. Now after the image has been uploaded, make sure that the aspect ratio of the generated image is the same as that of the image that you just uploaded. Mine was portrait, so I'm just gonna make it at portrait. Now after that, go back to the text to image window right here and copy this prompt again. Go back to image, scroll down and paste in this prompt here again. Now the next step is to match the model as well. I'm just gonna go for Juggernaut again. Juggernaut Excel here. That's selected here as well. Now in here, type in that same speed, which was yes 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just gonna go back to image and 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Adjust the generation count to 2 again, and after that hit generate again. So as you guys can see, it has added that same model to that image, and now she's posing like that. there are some deformities. For example, this eye right here and this glass looks fake. You can fix them by just adding the correct negative prompts right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use AI to create model. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.